Ever wondered what secrets lie hidden beneath the surface of your favorite website? Today, we're diving deep into Chrome's Inspect tool to uncover its amazing powers. First, right-click anywhere on a web page and select Inspect. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-E on Windows or Command-Option-E on Mac. Boom! The DevTools panel appears by default. It usually opens to the Elements tab, which displays the website's HTML structure. Hovering over elements in the HTML shows you exactly where they are on the page, and clicking on an element highlights it. Want to tweak something? Right-click on any element and select Edit as HTML to change the text, attributes, or even add new elements to see how it looks on the fly. Remember, this is only temporary and won't actually change the real website. The Console tab is your JavaScript playground. You can run code, debug errors, and log messages to understand what's happening behind the scenes. The Network tab lets you see all the files the website loads, how long they take, and whether there are any errors, which is crucial for performance analysis. Finally, the Application tab lets you explore the website's cookies, local storage, and cache data, helpful for debugging user sessions and identifying storage issues. So there you have it. The Inspect tool is a treasure trove for web developers, designers, and anyone curious about how websites work. Now go explore and unleash your inner web wizard.